BPE was an honest institution. Nobody in my time was doing that stuff. When Charles Osuji went to Mike Adenuga and collected 25 million and brought it, came to me and told me, I told him return his money to him. And I'll leave this matter because Charles was one of my good staff. I said, go and return. Let this be between us. I know what you are trying to do. You are thinking of my best interest. This is Nigeria. You know, he gave a long speech about nobody will look after you, sir. You work very hard here. You don't have anything. I said, before I came here, did you know how I was feeding my family? Who asked you to do that? I said, Charles, go and return the money and I will forget you've told me this. He didn't. He came back to me a second time with $100,000. He said it is in the trunk of his car. I should go and just pick it. He went back to Mike Adenuga. I said, Charles, you are not listening. If you don't do what I've told you, I'm going to have to get you disciplined. He came back at that time and said Atiku Abubakar knows about this, that Mike Adenuga told Atiku Abubakar. So I went, I said, okay, fine. I went and confronted Atiku. I said, you guys are telling us you are fighting corruption, where we should do things straight, and now this is what I've had. Atiku called Mike Adenuga and put him on speakerphone. And said, Mike, what did I tell you about Nasir? He said, you said I should not try to see him or give him anything. Atiku, so why did you? I'm sorry, sir. I just wanted to thank him. This is what happened. So Atiku said, I said, sir, we have to fire this guy. But he's a deputy director. I cannot fire him as DG. I have to bring it to the council. Atiku said, bring me the memo. We'll terminate his appointment right away. Because we can't accept this. That was not even what happened. We did that. But when we brought the matter to the council to ratify, because even the BP cannot sack a deputy director alone, the council on privatization has to ratify. When it came to the council, Attorney General BOLALIVE said the termination was too light a punishment for what he did. He should be dismissed. And he was dismissed. That's what happened. Now, if I sent Charles to collect the money, why didn't I just collect it and keep quiet? Who would know? Who would know? And what is sad about this country is that Charles went to the Senate under oath, admitted to collecting a bribe, and he walked out of that place. In any civilized country, he would be handcuffed and because he has convicted himself. You take him to a judge and send him to prison. But he walked out because it's Nigeria and it's this Senate.
Let's take a break, and when we